It's time for the Cute and Cozy Decor Fall Treats and Snacks Challenge hosted by the Holiday Cookie Diva. So if you want to see what I managed to put together, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am participating in the Holiday Cookie Diva's first fall challenge. And this particular one is where we are to create a tray with fall treats and snacks on it. But before we jump into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see product reviews about products that might benefit you in your home, subscribe. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's take a look at my trays. So the Holiday Cookie Diva asks us to do 3 things. We had to place our items on a tray. There had to be something that definitely said fall so that you could look right away and see that it was fall decor. And then we also had to have fall snack items on there. So I managed to put together 2 trays. One is a breakfast snacks and treats tray, and the other is just a fall snacks and treats tray. So let's take a look at them. This is the first tray that I put together, and this is my sweet and salty snack tray. In this particular dish here, I've got the classic candy corn with peanuts all mixed in, so you've got your sweet and your salty right here. And every fall, my mom would put together this particular treat. She would mix the candy corn and peanuts, and so I always think about this particular snack when it comes to fall. And then my husband loves trail mix. But in the fall, I'll tend to get one that has more cranberries and raisins and that kind of thing in them. So here I put together this trail mix with raisins and cranberries and different kinds of nuts and some white chocolate. Now right here, I've got a bowl of pretzels, and it's just sitting here on the side of the tray, but I feel like it really complements this arrangement very well. And they're lightly salted pretzels, and so they're a fairly healthy snack. So this is my sweet and salty tray. When I heard about the challenge, I knew right away that I wanted to do a small tray on my kitchen table because it had to be something small and very portable because that's where we eat our meals and couldn't have anything too fussy or that was in the way there. But then I also wanted to do a breakfast tray. So let me show you what I did for a breakfast cozy treats and snacks. So here's my breakfast fall treats and snacks tray. One of the things that happens in the fall in Indiana is that it's apple picking time. When the apples come in, we have apple cider and apple butter and apple jelly and just all kinds of apple products, apple festivals. So I put a container of apple cider here on this tray because we might have apple cider for breakfast or someone might choose to have it for a snack, and you can have the apple cider either cold or you can warm it up if it's kind of chilly. So you can't do a fall arrangement with snacks and treats and beverages in Indiana and not have some apple cider somewhere close by. So I've got this apple cider here, and I've also got 3 apples here on the tray so that in the morning, if we're in a hurry or we just want something light, we can grab an apple and it's a nice healthy snack. The other thing that I've got here on the tray are these cake donuts, and I always associate these cake donuts with apple cider in the fall. I remember when I was a little girl, we would always have those cake donuts or similar cake donuts, not that plate, but cake donuts and apple cider. And when I used to go trick-or-treating when I was a little girl, in some of the homes you would go to, they would give you apple cider and cake donuts. So that certainly speaks of fall to me. And my husband loves the cake donuts. Not the ones with the cinnamon sugar on it, but just the plain cake donuts. And so that's what I have here. And let me tell you, I had to make sure I got this tray filmed quickly because he was starting to eat snacks. There was a whole box of donuts. Now there's like 6 donuts left. So that just shows you how much he likes them. Now over here, I have some pumpkin spice creamer, and I just love pumpkin spice, and I love to have it in my coffee in the fall. And so I've got this liquid creamer here, and then over here I've got just a little box of Cafe Creations from Weight Watchers, and it's a pumpkin spice creamer as well, and this particular packet is 0 points. So I've got that there. And then I've got a couple of packets of a gourmet cafe latte right there, so that on cool mornings, if you want a latte instead of just regular coffee, I've got some latte there. And then for the back here, I've got some chai tea, which the spicy chai tea is always good in the fall, so I've got that there. And then over here, I've got this pumpkin bowl, and I've got some savory Chex Mix. It's the cheddar cheese savory Chex Mix. And my husband likes the Chex Mix as well. So I've got that here, and then we've got the traditional 2 different kinds of Chex Mix, plus you've got some pretzels and some triangular crackers and that kind of thing. So, and it's in a fall dish. So here's my fall decor right there. And these donuts are on a pumpkin plate, so that's more fall decor. And then right here in front, I've got 2 different kinds of breakfast cookies. I've got the Velveeta cranberry orange cookies, which I love to have in the fall with coffee. And over here are the Velveeta banana nut cookies, which my husband loves. These are soft, these are more crunchy. So we would have those with coffee or hot chocolate in the fall. And there's nothing in this picture here. This picture is just, I just felt like the color and the shape of the picture complemented the tray. Let me take this opportunity to thank the Holiday Cookie Diva for hosting this challenge. It was so much fun trying to figure out what to do and what to put on the trays. I really enjoyed it, and my husband is loving it too. So thank you, Holiday Cookie Diva, for bringing this fun to all of us. If you're not familiar with the Cookie Diva, I'll link her channel below. You've got to check her out. I think this woman is absolutely crazy. She is hilarious, and so you will certainly love the kind of things that she does over there. And I'll also link the playlist when it's available so you can see what some of the other creators have done. I just can't wait to see what some of their trays are looking like. Now here's my question for you. Which one of the trays do you like the best? The sweet and salty tray or the breakfast tray? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.